Hi, my name's Sam Polly. I'm the State Director of Pesticide Safety Education for Missouri. And I just wanted to take a few minutes to share with you some of the details about how to become certified or recertified with pesticide applicator training. And that includes both private applicators, which are our producers, as well as our commercial applicators, which also encompasses um, non-commercial and public operators. That's kind of the breakdown with the training categories. So first, I wanted to talk a little bit about commercial applicators, and that's the easiest route. Is if you just do a simple Google search, Missouri University Extension pesticide applicator training, that'll bring you to our website. A lot of people are getting lost on other websites like the MDA website or the some of the private companies that try to do training here, and you can get lost real quick, even within our web system. And so if you go to our website here, this is kind of the home page, and you can get lost even on this page. So that's, again, part of the reason I'm here today. I want to scroll down just a little bit to this box on the left. And if you haven't spent a little time here, again, you could overlook this, but here's where you have PPAT, that's the private pesticide applicator training, and commercial pesticide applicator training. So right now, our commercial applicator training is underway. It runs from the 10th of this month to the 26th. So we basically do 3 weeks from Tuesday to Thursday and have offerings anything from anywhere from 2 to 3, depending on what category. More popular categories are we do 3 trainings. And so if you click on this commercial pesticide applicator training, it'll have these 2 little extra boxes here. And the important one to go to is dates. And then you can just scroll down that page and look at Tuesday, January 10th. By the time you see this, that'll be passed. But you can see each of these days, and it shows everybody for commercial training takes the core, which is the morning, and then you have your category in the afternoon. So you simply want to find a day where we're offering your category, and you can schedule that day. And over here in that box I showed you on the left, there's the CPAT registration box. That's the one you'd want to click on to register. So it's not that complicated. Just people oftentimes overlook this kind of linear calendar here. One thing I do want to mention is that we have follow-up trainings in February and March. Some people are out of the country or they're sick in the hospital and they can't make January. So we have Wednesday, February 15th, and then Thursday, March 9 for the more popular categories. And when you take your commercial applicator recertification training, that's good for 3 years. There are going to be some changes coming up in 2024 as far as requirements, but that's the standard right now. And then going back up here to the private pesticide applicator training, we click on that. It takes us to that page. And you scroll down here a little bit. You want to go to see all remote and in-person events. So it's set up a little bit differently. But if you click on that and your internet is working up, there it goes. This gives you a big listing, and so you just scroll through that and look for one that's close to your area and at a time that you can make it, and then you can go ahead and schedule that. One of the big changes for 2024 is that there will be a fee associated with private applicator training, and that'll be $75. Our current fee for commercial is $85, and that helps us be able to keep this program up and running. And finally, we're going to include the links to this information at the end of this video, so you can get those, copy them, and save them on your computer. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your local extension agent or give us a call or an email on our website. That sends it to me and my associate, Dan. And thanks a lot for being with us today.